Hello, everybody. It is me, the Insane Dragon, and so welcome to my channel. Basically, this channel I'm basically playing games and stuff like that, commentating, and yeah. My old channel has like 47 subscribers about a year ago. I haven't posted in like a year and a half. It is called King Minecraft. I just been like a main. It was like my 8-year-old Minecraft name, stuff like that. But yeah, this is my new YouTube account, the Insane Dragon. I don't know why I just decided to post that name. And yeah, so I'm gaming. I'm on my Chromebook right now, but I have one of those ones that like bends back, so I can click a touchscreen. So there's a Google Play Store on here. So I downloaded Bullet Force, which is like the best free online, the best free mobile shooter in my opinion. And yeah, this is Conquest. This is the best way, in my opinion, to get XP and credits because basically everything that Team Deathmatch has, except you can also get coins from just like happening games as well. So yeah, and so, yeah, just tell people. It turns out we're losing by I like nailed the in the face with a shotgun. It did not work, but yeah, okay, let's do this. And, Full Force is fun, free on the App Store. Um, kind of pay to win since a lot of the good guns you have to get gold for, and gold you can only get by watching videos. It's like 30 seconds long each, and you only get one, and like the things that you need are like 1,100 um, coins and 1,000 coins. I've I spent what money just to buy this deagle, and it is amazing. I love this staring at it. So good. There's a lot of it. Oh, RPG. I actually never used an RPG before. I don't know if it's good or not. It's probably not that good. Yeah, I'm using this free thing called Screensify or something like that. And yeah, that means I can only record for 10 minutes. So yeah. Right. Get blown up, fool. Whoa. Not a very. I did not suggest buying this. Yeah. Let's look at get blown up. Not too bad in close quarters, but you also can kill yourself. I'm guessing. Yeah. This is not too bad, but I'm planning on buying a sniper rifle next, or the MG4 like that. So yeah. That's getting way. Alright. The UAV active. UAV active. Okay. Ew. Oh, okay. Confusing. Alright, yeah. We're slowly making a comeback, but we're too many points behind to actually do anything. But yeah. We're blowing up fools. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, back to my AK-12. Yeah, there's almost no chance we can make a comeback. Unless, well, I mean, there's a chance it's going to take a while, though. Let's go. And the new update just came out, so they came with a P90, the MK11, I think is what it's called, and they also nerfed the M60. So I'm gonna get the MG4 now, which is kind of like the M60 but downgraded. But I just don't feel like getting it. I feel like also it's better RPM. So the MG4 is better RPM. This is better range and I think a little more attack. Yeah, so pretty good. One thing I don't suggest getting is the Sega or the 8 or the 8 um, the 870 thing shotgun because there's better guns, but what you can get is the Dart, which is kind of like a shotgun but it's a secondary. I have the Deagle, so I might not get that, but it's definitely good. Then there's the HE explosive one, which is the Dart, except costs less and it explodes, except of being a shotgun. It's good, but I still don't prefer it. And my name is Savage Level 100. It's not the Insane Dragon because I just made this YouTube account, and Savage Level 100 is not a very good YouTube name, but I just made this account. I don't know why. It's very cringy. But I don't feel like making accounts to make level 20. So I spent money. So yeah, something is good, but still don't want to get it because it costs like 220k. Okay. I actually just started playing Conquest. It's not too different from the Team Deathmatch. I don't know. My guy in the bushes does not see him at all. Are they taking over A? I can't tell if they are or not. I like picking up shotguns just for the lulz, but I'm never gonna buy one. The thing about the Sega is it's semi-auto like this instead of pump action, but it takes like 3 hits unless it's a headshot to kill somebody. The 870, unless it's like a far range, it will usually if it's far range, it usually takes like 3 hits, but it's pump action. So it depends what you want, speed or damage. But like I said, I wouldn't suggest getting it. The dart's basically a spray, so it's only really good in close range, but it's a secondary, so you always have like your assault rifle. Yes. It's cool. Oh god. I don't know. I wish you could run into the Warzone and still shoot, because in the Warzone, you can't shoot. So, I played Battlefield on the PS4, and that, there's war zones, you can't go into the area, because, it's other team's spawn, they don't want you invading spawn, like this and stuff like that, but, uh, but you can still shoot, so you could, like, run in and out, but if you stay in there for, like, 10 seconds, you die. But this one you can't shoot, which is kind of weird, but I guess it kind of makes sense. No, what do you want? Okay, 19 kills and 6 deaths. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh wow, my computer has 28% left. What? Wait, no, 13% left. And 27 minutes left. But I started this, but like, an hour left. I'm so confused. Anyway, so yeah, probably my, only video today. Yeah. And, I quit my last channel because there's like finals coming up and my school and stuff like that. But right now, summer just started, so for the next 2 months or so, I'm gonna be making videos and stuff like that. Depends what I'll be making. A lot of Bullet Force because it's just easier. But also one thing. My parents have this thing on the Wi-Fi. Super stupid. Where like it limits my time to playing like 2 hours a day, and the Wi-Fi shuts down on me. But it's summer, so I think there'll be more lenient. I think I get like 6 hours a day now, so it's much better. But yeah. So I'm at my grandparents' house right now, so there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm playing all I want. Too bad I forgot to bring my computer charger. Now I have to make a lot of videos and upload them later. But yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, the M200's a sniper rifle. It's always one shot. A lot of people use it in close quarters. It doesn't have a crosshair though, like the thing that's that you can fire at. But yeah, people still like to use it in close quarters. Well, actually, turns out I have 25 seconds left, and 9 minutes 30 seconds already. So yeah, I'll just die one more time, and then I will see you later. Okay. How many times you do? Alright, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Insane Dragon out.